Hello there, people. Wagwan. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ballecia. If you are new here, welcome. We hope you stick around. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you are updated every time a new content is released. For my community member, welcome again and thanks for joining the family. Today I'm bringing to you more work from home opportunities. However, before I get into that, today's quote for the day is don't change yourself so that other people will like you. Be yourself so that the right people will love you. Okay? Awesome. Let's get right into it. So, the opportunities that I'm bringing to you today is with CVS. I'm going to showcase three different opportunities. Now, the first job I want to review is customer service representative. It is a fully remote position. Okay, this is the job number right here. When you're ready to apply, click this apply button and it will take you to the application. They're telling you here about CVS. Okay, and they have the position summary right here. This will not be a long video. I'm going to leave the link in the description below. Okay, and let's go down to pay. All right, they have the required qualifications right here. As you can see, it's not an extensive list, and the pay range for this position will be between $17 to $29.30 per hour. Now let's go ahead into the second position that I wanted to review with you, and that's for a claims processing representative one. Okay, so of course there'll be one. If there's one, there must be two. So if you want to look for two, you can definitely do that. I've showed you guys before how to search for jobs. All right, just go to the careers page and then type in the career here or location, for example. Now this also is a fully remote position. The categories within plan operations. All right, this is the position summary right here. Qualifications a little bit more than the previous job we reviewed just now. Education, you don't need a degree. It's high school diploma or GED required, and this is paying between $17 to $27.90 per hour. Okay, now I'm going to leave the link for this as well in the description box below. When you're ready to apply, you go ahead and apply right here. Now let's go to the opportunity that we're going to actually go in depth about. So care management associate, CVS accountable care, is within the category of clinical services, and it is also fully remote. So I'm saying here, bring your art to CVS Health. Every one of us at CVS Health shares a single clear purpose: bringing our heart to every moment of your health. All right, you can go ahead and read the rest. Position summary: you must live or be willing to work in Mountain Standard Time or Pacific Standard Time. Start time will be somewhere between 8 a.m. and 9 a.m. So you need to live in this time zone or be willing to work in this time zone. For example, I am Eastern time zone. All you got to do is go ahead and pull up your clock on your phone or even put it in Google and convert the time to see which one we would correlate with your time zone. Okay? Now, you're going to support comprehensive coordination of medical services, including case management, intake, screening, and supporting the implementation of care plans to promote effective utilization of healthcare services. Promotes, supports quality effectiveness of healthcare services. Responsible for initial review and triage of case management tasks. Screens patients using targeted intervention, business rules and processes to identify needed medical services, make appropriate referrals to medical services staff, and coordinate the required services in accordance with the benefit plan. This position is also going to monitor non-targeted cases for a discharge date and disposition and informs primary CM of impending discharges. Coordinates and arranges for healthcare service delivery under the direction of nurse, LCSW, or medical director in the most appropriate setting at the most appropriate expense by identifying opportunities for the patient to utilize participating providers and services. Go ahead and read the rest, guys. Now, these are the required qualifications for this position. You need a minimum of 2 years experience in customer service, preferably in the medical field, and 2 years experience in managed care or population health. And these are required, so it's non-negotiable as it relates to that. Now, the negotiable ones, or the ones that aren't like set in stone, would be preferred qualification, which includes 2 years in medical field role preferred, okay, not required. Medicare experience preferred, okay. Now, education. The education is high school diploma or GED. You do not need a degree as it relates to applying for this position or qualifying for the position. Now, the pay range, it says the typical pay range for this role is between $18.50 up to $36.30. Okay. So definitely, if you're interested in this position, go ahead and apply. It says here that the pay range represents the base hourly rate or base annual full-time salary for all positions in the job grade within which this position falls. The actual base salary offer will depend on a variety of factors, including experience, education, geography, and other relevant factors. So of course, they say, okay, minimum is high school diploma or GED. However, if you have an associate's degree, additional certificates, or a bachelor's degree, and so on, you may qualify for more within this range. That's what they're basically saying, as well as, based on your experience and geographical location. Now, this position is eligible for a CVS health bonus. That's what they're saying here. Commission or short-term incentive program in addition to the base pay range listed above. All right, here you can see here, so you're also going to be eligible to enroll in the company's 401k, retirement savings plan. All right, they also have an employee stock purchase plan that's also available. And it also says that the company provides a fully paid term life insurance plan and short-term and long-term disability. Okay. All right, guys, go ahead and read the rest. All right, they also have PTO, as you can see right here. All right. Now, let me know if you've applied for any of the jobs so far and what your feedback has been as it relates to updates that you've gotten from the position. Are they responding, saying that they've moved on with other candidates? Are they basically crickets where they're not responding at all? Because I've experienced that, guys, and it's not a nice feeling. You spend all this time applying, putting in your blood, sweat, and tears, making the application perfect, only to hear exactly complete silence. They didn't even reply to let you know that, okay, we're just not gonna move forward with you. I know that they have tons and tons of applications. Sometimes they can't get to apply, but my feelings sometimes are hurt. Nevertheless, yeah. All the best, guys, on your job hunting. All right, thank you so very much for tuning in. God bless, love, and peace.